lovely people, and welcome back to your favorite show, Planet Bollywood. My name is Manish, and I'm here to bring you all the latest news, views, and updates from the world of Bollywood and social media. Well, guys, it's been 1 month since the tragic passing of Sushant Singh Rajput, and while his friends and family are still grieving and grappling with the loss, we all dearly miss him. Well, Sushant ki yaad mein, I think we should start the show, but before that, let me just remind you guys to check out our Zoom Facebook page for all the latest and most updated information about your favorite stars. Now let's kickstart the show. रिया चक्रवर्ती और अंकिता लोखंडे ने सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की याद में शेयर किए स्पेशल पोस्ट। टाइगर श्रॉफ ने रिवील किया कि उन्हें भी फील होती है परफॉर्मेंस एंजाइटी। प्रियंका चोपड़ा ने कैसे सेलिब्रेट किया एलए में मदर इन लॉ का बर्थडे। अपने किन स्पेशल नंबर्स के शूट के लिए कटरीना कैफ ने खुद किया अपना मेकअप। बिग बी ने एक बार फिर अपने वेल विशर्स की प्रेयर्स के लिए कहा थैंक यू। In another setback to Bollywood because of COVID-19, Bollywood actor Sara Ali Khan's driver has tested positive for the virus. In a statement released on social media, Sara Ali Khan has revealed that her driver tested COVID positive. But Sara, her brother Ibrahim and her mother Amrita Singh, including the rest of her staff, have all tested negative but still are following BMC guidelines of quarantining themselves. Well, Sara, stay safe and we hope that your driver recovers very soon. Here's the story. The actor, who had just resumed work after a long lockdown at home, shared in a social media post that her driver had tested positive and has been moved to a quarantine facility. The actor, who has been in lockdown with her mother, actor Amrita Singh, and brother Ibrahim Ali Khan, only recently started stepping out for work meetings and to exercise with her brother. However, with this positive test on her staff member, she will need to now exercise caution as per BMC guidelines and possibly stay indoors for a while. Sara shared a statement on her official social media page which said, "I would like to inform you that our driver has tested positive for COVID-19. The BMC was promptly alerted about it and he has been moved into a quarantine center. My family, the other staff at home and I have all been tested negative and will take all the necessary precautions." The Simba actor also thanked the BMC for their help and assistance on behalf of herself and her entire family, who immediately moved the driver to a quarantine facility and tested everyone else in their household to check if anyone else also had contracted the virus. Sara और उनके भाई recently मुंबई में साइकिलिंग करते हुए दिखाई दिए थे, and the young siblings who are wearing masks also urged other people to stay safe while stepping out of their homes. Sara, who was last seen in Love Aajkal, had Coolie #1 and Atrangi Re lined up this year, though it seems now both these films will release only early next year. It's been a hard time for the film and television industry, which has been hit by multiple cases of COVID-19 in a span of a few days. Amitabh Bachchan, Abhishek, Aishwarya and Aradhya tested positive recently, as did television actor Parth Samtan, whose show had recently resumed shooting. Veteran actor Anupam Kher has also shared that 4 members of his family, including his mother and brother, have tested positive for COVID-19. Earlier, staff members at the homes of Janhvi Kapoor, Karan Johar and Aamir Khan had tested positive and were moved into quarantine facilities. रिया चक्रवर्ती ने शेयर किया सुशांत के मेमोरी में एक स्पेशल पोस्ट। रिया ने रिवील किया that she is still struggling to face her emotions. To mark 1 month since the passing of Sushant Singh Rajput, actress Riya Chakrabarti shared a heart-wrenching post on her social media, which just goes to show that the two of them were really close indeed, and in fact, this has been a tragic loss for Riya. Now, the two, Sushant and Riya, never really came out openly and confirmed their relationship, but this post has gone on to show that the two of them were indeed madly in love. In fact, Riya went on to change the display picture on her phone as well
to a picture of Sushant and Riya in happier times. Well, Riya, we're sorry for your loss and we really hope that you find peace and happiness very soon. Here's the story.
It's been 1 month since Sushant Singh Rajput passed away under tragic circumstances, and to mark the anniversary of his passing, उनकी rumored girlfriend actor Riya Chakravarti ने सुशांत के लिए सोशल मीडिया पर एक स्पेशल पोस्ट शेयर किया, जिसमें रिया ने शेयर किया है कि कैसे उन्होंने सुशांत से लाइफ और लव के बारे में काफी कुछ सीखा। रिया ने अपने लंबे से पोस्ट को एंड किया बाय सेइंग, "बी इन पीस सुशी, 30 days of losing you but a lifetime of loving you, eternally connected to infinity and beyond." इससे पहले रिया ने अपने फोन की एक मैसेजिंग ऐप की प्रोफाइल पिक्चर पर भी अपनी और सुशांत की फोटो अपडेट की थी, एंड इन द डिस्प्ले पिक्चर ऑन हर मैसेजिंग ऐप both are looking blissfully happy. Riya and Sushant's picture, which seems to have been taken inside a plane, has Riya posing for the camera while Sushant is being goofy and trying to rest his face against Riya's. Though Riya has not made any public statements after Sushant's demise, this is the first time that she has penned a note for the late actor. सुशांत के गुजरने से पहले she was one of the few people who were very close to the actor, and there were rumors that the two were even planning to get married later this year. Riya and Sushant had even taken a holiday to Europe together, and it seemed like the couple were very much in love. इसके साथ ही अंकिता लोखंडे ने भी सुशांत को याद किया by lighting a diya at her home and wrote "Child of God." Seems hard to believe that a month has passed since the wonderful and talented Sushant Singh Rajput passed away under very tragic circumstances. He was just 34 and a wonderful actor and an even better human being whose interests included anatomy, farming, flying planes, and playing the guitar. After his passing, Riya has had to face a lot of scrutiny and even hatred from online trolls. The police investigating the case had interrogated her for over 9 hours in the aftermath of his demise, trying to understand what could have prompted Sushant to take the step he did. When Sushant passed away, his co-star and friend Kriti Sanon, who he was rumored to be dating in the past, had also shared some heartwarming pictures with the late actor from when they were filming and promoting Rabta.
Had already some Rabta with Rabta.
It seems like only yesterday that the nation was shocked and shattered by the tragic news of Sushant Singh Rajput's demise. But as we reach the 1 month mark of his passing, Mukesh Chhabra, who directed Sushant in his last on-screen appearance, Dil Bechara, has shared an emotional remembrance note for the actor and also shared some behind-the-scenes pictures from the film sets.
Casting director turned film director Mukesh Chhabra, whose debut film is Dil Bechara, which stars the late Sushant Singh Rajput, has recently marked the 1 month death anniversary by sharing pictures from behind the scenes on the sets of the film. Now, Mukesh, who calls Sushant his stress buster friend, has said that he definitely misses him and wishes that he was here today. Apart from Mukesh, Ankita Lokhande, who's been Sushant's partner for a very long time, has also shared a lamp on her social media in remembrance of Sushant. Well, Sushant, you are definitely missed and truly loved, and we hope that you can feel it wherever you are. Here's the story.
Mukesh, who has called the late actor his stress buster and has shared many memories in the aftermath of Sushant's demise, remembered the actor with a post that is sure to bring a tear to everyone's eyes. Mukesh ने अपने और सुशांत के फोटो शेयर करते हुए लिखा, "1 महीना हो गया, अब तो कभी फोन भी नहीं आएगा तेरा." It's a simple line that conveys poignantly the finality of losing someone you care about and realizing over time कि वो लौट के नहीं आएगा. The Dil Bechara director also shared pictures where he and Sushant are working together happily, with Mukesh directing Sushant in his role as Manny, or just bonding with the star who had promised to be a part of his directorial debut whenever it happened. Sushant's co-actor in the film Sanjana Sanghi also remembered her co-star and said in a social media story that whoever said time helps heal all wounds was lying. Some feel like they are being ripped open again and again and bleeding. Sanjana, who is Sushant's last co-star, also added a promise to Sushant that she will make sure all the dreams that they had for their film will come true, even if she has to do it alone. Ankita Lokhande, who was Sushant's former partner, has shared a picture in the actor's memory and posted something on social media for the first time after the actor's demise. Sharing the picture of a diya which seems to be placed in a small mandir at home with flowers, Ankita wrote a touching message remembering him as Child of God. The two met on the sets of Pavitra Rishta and went on to be in a relationship for almost 6 years. In the aftermath of his demise, Ankita, who recently got engaged, has stayed away from the public eye and from her social media account after being completely shattered by the news of his passing. Though she didn't attend the actor's last rites, she was spotted visiting his family at his home in Mumbai after they performed the actor's last rites. Investigations continue into the actor's demise, but today we hope that you are in peace, Sushant, and no longer in pain or sorrow. आपके fans, friends और family आपको रोज याद करते हैं, and it will be a long time before we can actually accept the fact that you are no longer among us. It's now been 3 days since we heard news that Amitabh Bachchan and his son Abhishek Bachchan had tested positive for COVID-19. Though they initially tested negative, the health minister shared that in a second test, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, who is married to Abhishek, and the couple's daughter Aradhya had also tested positive.
Well, it's already been a couple of days since Amitabh Bachchan and Abhishek Bachchan were admitted to a hospital in Mumbai after testing positive for coronavirus COVID-19. Now, according to recent reports, doctors claim that both Amit Ji and Abhishek are in a stable condition and are recovering well, which is great news. But Amit Ji took to social media to express his gratitude and thanked all the millions of people who have sent out prayers and good wishes to him and his family. Well, here's hoping that Amit Ji, Abhishek, Aishwarya and Aradhya recover very soon and are back home together. Here's the story.
While Amit Ji and Abhishek are in a Mumbai hospital's isolation ward, Aradhya and Aishwarya are in quarantine at home since they are asymptomatic. An update from the hospital on both their conditions said both the father and son are stable and responding well to treatment. A source from the hospital also shared that the father and son may have to remain in the hospital for a week at least to recover fully from their symptoms. Amit Ji and Abhishek have been sharing updates themselves via their profiles on social media. Fans and well-wishers have sent in millions of messages and shared posts on social media praying for the well-being and good health of the family. And for a second time in 3 days, Amit Ji shared a message to thank all those who have been praying for him and his family. Amit Ji ने अपना gratitude express करते हुए कहा, prayers and wishes of well-being come to me like the torrential unstoppable rain. This bond of love has broken the banks of containment. Swept away, I have been drenched in this immense love. The darkness of my lonely solitude illuminated. My individual gratitude shall I never be able to express. On bended knee do I bow my head before thee. Amit Ji has also shared a blog from the hospital and it looks like even in isolation, वो अपना routine और अपनी blogging की daily habit को continue कर रहे हैं. In the meanwhile, the BMC has sealed off all 4 bungalows, Jalsa, Pratiksha, Janak and Vatsa, belonging to the Bachchan family, and sanitation operations have been carried out. They have declared the area a containment zone, but in some good news, none of the family's 30 staff members from the homes have tested positive for the virus. They have been quarantined as a precaution, and as per the last update, Jaya Bachchan, Shweta Bachchan Nanda and Shweta's kids, Navya Naveli and Agastya have also tested negative. We hope you get well soon, Amit Ji and Abhishek, and in Amit Ji's own words, ये मुश्किल वक्त भी गुजर जाएगा. Tiger Shroff, one of the fittest actors and most fabulous dancers in Bollywood, has made a huge confession. He gets stage fright. That's right. Who would have ever thought that जो टाइगर इतने कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ अपने डांस और एक्शन सीक्वेंसेस को ऑन स्क्रीन परफॉर्म करते हैं, उन्हें ऑफ स्क्रीन स्टेज फ्राइट भी हो सकता है. But the young actor who shared a throwback post on his social media page has confessed कि डर उन्हें भी लगता है.
गाइस, टाइगर को भी स्टेज फ्राइट होता है, स्पेशली जब सामने इंडस्ट्री का सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी खड़ा हो. Well, recently Tiger Shroff went on to confess in a throwback post that he was extremely nervous to throw a cartwheel kick on stage, especially since it was in front of the OG khiladi of the industry, Akshay Kumar. Here's the story.
Tiger shared a throwback video on his social media page where he performed some cartwheels and kicks in front of the original Khiladi, Akshay Kumar. The video seems to be from an event celebrating martial arts, which Akshay is trained in, and a much younger Tiger is also invited on stage and asked to show the audience a few of his moves, including kicking a mat being held up by one of the karate teachers. Tiger manages to do a cartwheel and kick down the mat being held, lekin as he has now confessed, he was a bundle of nerves before going up on stage and sharing the platform with the original Khiladi himself. Tiger's post says, usually have stage fright, and this particular day was even scarier when our legendary action hero Akshay Kumar sir asked me to show a couple of kicks to the audience at his tournament. Just glad I didn't mess it up. Video में the audience is heard cheering loudly for Tiger, who takes a bow after performing the cartwheel kick and doesn't for a minute let us know कि वो actually कितने nervous थे. But we are glad that he has shared this with us now. Tiger, who was last seen in Baghi 3, has been in lockdown for the past 3 months and was only spotted recently by the press with rumored girlfriend Disha Patani, where the two almost got trolled for not wearing masks while stepping out of the car. The actor, who also created a big impression with his performance in War opposite Hrithik Roshan, is all set to star in the sequel to Heropanti, which had begun filming just before the lockdown was announced. It was a special celebration at Priyanka and Nick's home as the couple celebrated Nick's mother's birthday at home in LA. PC and Nick, who both shared loving posts for Mrs. Denise Jonas, जिन्हें प्रियंका प्यार से मामा जे बुलाती हैं, and we understand that Nick's parents are with the couple right now in their home in LA, which only makes this lockdown celebration sweeter.
It's party time at the Chopra Jonas household as Priyanka Chopra and Nick Jonas celebrate Nick's mom's birthday at their house in LA. In fact, Priyanka Chopra shared a really heartwarming and sweet post wishing her mother-in-law a very happy birthday, but her team went on to post a hilarious video of PC and Mama Jonas having a great time and partying together. Here's the story.
Priyanka has shared a special birthday post for her beloved Mama J, where she penned a heartfelt message and added a picture of herself with her mom-in-law. Happy birthday, Mama J. Thank you for your constant grace and generosity. I'm so glad you are here and we can celebrate you today together. Love you so much. Nick Jonas, Priyanka's husband, who is a famous pop singer, also shared a picture of himself with his mom and wished her on her birthday. Nick captioned his post, "Love you mom, happy birthday." जब से प्रियंका और निक की शादी हुई है, Chopras and Jonas families have come very close and make it a point to spend special occasions, holidays and festivals together. Recently, Priyanka and Nick had visited India for Holi and celebrated with Priyanka's side of the family and her close friends before rushing back as the pandemic caused countries to shut travel down. It's no surprise that PC and Nick made Mama J's birthday special and showered her with a lot of birthday love. Priyanka's team also shared a short video of Mrs. Jonas and Priyanka goofing around together at home. A few weeks ago, on the occasion of Father's Day, Nick had also shared a heartfelt note for Priyanka's late father and said, Dr. Ashok Chopra, I wish I would have had a chance to meet you. You raised an incredible daughter, and I'm blessed we found each other. But if social media is anything to go by, it looks like there may be more than just one reason for Priyanka to be happy. It seems like her brother Siddharth Chopra has found love, and his rumored girlfriend Neelam Upadhyay has all but confirmed their relationship with a special post to wish Siddharth on his birthday, which was just a few days ago. Neelam shared some unseen pictures of the two of them and wrote, I'm so grateful for you and all that you do. I love and appreciate our nights in, stuffing our mouths with chips, watching some crappy shows that I want to watch and you have no choice, as much as I love going out for meals and drives and exploring new places with you. Thank you for always making sure I'm warm enough, taking me to new places, being your usual thoughtful self, and always motivating me to be the best possible version of myself. You are a big blessing. So should we prepare ourselves to hear some post-lockdown wedding bells, Chopra Parivar? Well, we would love some happy shadi news to cheer us up after so many months of lockdown and uncertainty. Hum intezar karenge, but tab tak, happy birthday Mrs. Jonas, and we hope your beta and bahu took very good care of you. Katrina Kaif has made some shocking revelations in a recent interview. The actor, who has wowed audiences with her stunning good looks and awesome dance moves for many years now, has shared in a recent interview that for quite a few years in between she did her own makeup. In fact, for some of the most famous songs, Chikni Chameli, Sheila Ki Jawani and Masha Allah, unhone apna makeup khud hi kiya tha.
In a recent interview, Katrina Kaif has gone on to make some very interesting revelations, guys. Did you know that Katrina did her own makeup for popular songs like Sheila Ki Jawani, Chikni Chameli and Mashallah? Well, it's very evident that Katrina is fantastic with makeup and can make any picture look perfect. But she also goes on to reveal that she too has her highs and lows, and social media is just the tip of the iceberg. Here's the story.
Speaking to an international news service, Katrina said that she really understands makeup, and while she did have a trusted makeup artist, it started getting faster for her to just do her own makeup to be ready. Katrina ने अपने हुस्न के राज खोलते हुए कहा, I had a makeup artist, his name was Subhash Dada. And what happened is it started with me saying, let me do the liner. And before you know it, I was doing everything. I was so much faster. I know it's unusual, but that's the way it is. In a world jahan every movie star travels with an entire entourage and has high-profile makeup and hairstylists, Katrina ने चिकनी चमेली, शीला की जवानी और माशा अल्लाह जैसे अपने high-profile songs की shooting के लिए अपना पूरा makeup अकेले किया था. Given how gorgeous she looked, we have to say full marks to her makeup skills and for knowing what will make her look the best. Katrina also spoke about her relationship with social media and why, though she took almost 5 years more than her colleagues to start her social media account, she finally felt the need to be seen and heard on a public platform. The actor said, I didn't feel like I was being represented or a very small side of me was being represented, and that side was too small. Lekin while all her posts are sunny and happy, Katrina admitted that social media posts are only moments from a person's life and not the entire reality. Speaking about what her fans and followers see, Katrina commented, you are seeing a showreel of highlights. You're not seeing the behind the scenes, the other moments. Am I also guilty of that? Yes, because it's a visual medium. If you scroll through my Insta page, you're seeing the highlights of my life. You're not seeing the in-between moments of doubt. You're not seeing the moments of insecurity. You're not seeing the moments of unhappiness. While public figures have to strike a balance between keeping it real and entertaining or aspirational for their fans, it was lovely to see an A-list movie star admit कि हम सब की तरह she too has a real life with ups and downs, so don't go by what a person shares or projects on social media alone. Thanks for that honesty, Kat. It's something we all need to keep in our mind in today's times.
Well, guys, with that, we come to the end of another episode of Planet Bollywood. But we will be back again tomorrow, same time, same place, with all the latest from the world of Bollywood and your favorite stars. Well, my name is Manish, but before I do leave, I want to remind you guys to check out the Zoom Facebook page for all the latest about everything that you want to know in Bollywood. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Until then, ciao.